In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Adobe InDesign. First, open your project in Adobe InDesign. Once your project is open, you need to access the Pages panel. To do this, click on the Window option at the top navigation menu of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Pages. After that, the Pages panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Ensure that your project has multiple pages, as this will allow you to apply consistent page numbering across the entire document. Next, head over to your parent page from the upper right-hand corner of the Pages panel. Double-click on the parent page to open it. Once you are on the parent page, select the text tool from the left-hand side toolbar. Click and drag to create a text box in the location where you want the page number to appear. After creating the text box, click on the Type option at the top navigation panel of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Insert Special Characters, then hover over Markers and select Current Page Number. This will insert a page number marker in the text box. You can adjust the size, font, and style of the page number to match your document's design. The same format will be applied automatically to all pages linked to the parent page. After adding the page number to one side of the parent page, double-click on the opposite side of the parent page to add a page number there as well. Create another text box, go to the Type option, hover over Insert Special Characters, select Markers, and click on Current Page Number. You can format this text box separately if needed. Now, if you take a look, you will see that page numbers have been automatically added to all the pages, positioned consistently according to the layout you set up on the parent page. And this is how you can add page numbers in Adobe InDesign.